If you feel overwhelmed by the number of projects on your knitting needles, it's time to get better at planning your knitting time. I made a table that shows approximate knitting time for 6 most common projects in different sizes, made with 3 different yarn weights. You can download it when you follow the link in the description. And in this video, I'll show you how to use it in your everyday knitting. Here's how this calculator looks. The projects are listed on the left side in the first column. The second column shows sizes for each project, and the next 3 columns give you estimated number of days you will spend knitting if you knit 10 rows every day. So if you knit 10 rows every day, you will make, let's say, an adult hat in worsted weight yarn. You will make it in 6 days. Let's say if you start working on this hat today, on Thursday, you know that you will finish it by next Wednesday. Just make sure you knit at least 10 rows every day. And that's all you need to worry about. Now let's see how we can apply these estimations to commercially available patterns. I have an old issue of Vogue knitting here. I picked a sweater that I like and probably will knit one day. Here it is. This is the lovely turtleneck in 2 shades of blue. To see how long it will take us to knit this sweater, let's take a look at the instructions for this. Okay, that should be somewhere here. It's right here. It's number 19, 2-tone turtleneck. So here's what we need to figure out. Basically, it's 2 things. First, we look at the sizes and we decide which size we're gonna make. So I will probably go with 42-inch bust, which is an equivalent to a medium size. And then we look at the yarn. So we need to determine what weight of the yarn is used for this sweater. Vogue Knitting is very kind, so they showed the yarn right here, and they also show that it is number 4. That means that this sweater is knit in worsted weight yarn. Now let's go back to the calculator and let's see how long it will take to knit a medium-sized woman's sweater in worsted weight yarn. And that's 52 days. Again, if we knit 10 rows every day, that's very important. And now I know that if I decide to knit the sweater, I won't plan any other projects for 52 days. And that's how simple it is. I hope this little tool will help you avoid overwhelm, stress, and frustration. Thank you for watching this video and have a wonderful week. I'll see you next Thursday.